If you've been wondering how to remove the timer on chess.com, the important thing to know is that chess.com does not let you completely disable the clock in every game mode. That's because the platform uses a timer to keep games moving and to prevent abandoned matches. But the good news is, there is a simple way to create the closest thing to an untimed experience, and that's what I'm going to show you in this video. In this quick guide, I'll walk you through the exact steps to set up a game that feels much more relaxed without the pressure of a fast countdown. This is perfect if you want to practice, learn at your own pace, or just enjoy a more casual chess game. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software and website tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. First, open chess.com in your browser and make sure you're signed into your account. Once you're on the homepage, look over to the sidebar and click the play button. This is where chess.com lets you choose different game types and time controls. After you click play, you'll see several options for starting a game. Look for the custom or time control section. This is where you can adjust the game settings instead of using the default timed formats. If you're trying to remove the feeling of a timer, this is the section you want to use. Now change the type to daily. This is the closest option chess.com offers to a no timer style game. Daily games are not played with a live countdown like Blitz or Rapid games. Instead, players have a much longer window to make each move, which makes the game feel far less rushed. Next, choose 14 days per move. This gives each player a full 2 weeks to respond on every turn, which is about as relaxed as it gets on chess.com. If your goal is to avoid pressure from a clock, this setting works really well and is the best alternative to completely removing the timer. Then, if you want the game to stay casual and just for fun, toggle the rated switch to off. Turning rating off means the match won't affect your competitive score, which is great if you're just practicing or playing casually with friends. This step is optional, but it's usually a good idea if you want a more relaxed experience. Once those settings are in place, you can go ahead and start the game. At this point, you'll have the closest possible setup to a no-timer game on chess.com. Again, chess.com still requires some kind of move limit or time structure, so there isn't a true infinite time mode, but the daily format with 14 days per move is the best workaround. If you were looking for a way to fully turn off the timer completely, now you know why that isn't available. But by using this method, you can still play in a way that feels slow, flexible, and stress-free. It's a great option for beginners, puzzle practice, or longer strategic games where you want time to think. So to quickly recap, click play, open the custom or time control settings, switch the type to daily, select 14 days per move, and turn rated off if you want a casual game. That's the easiest way to simulate removing the timer on chess.com. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more simple tech and website tutorials, and leave a comment if you want help with another chess.com setting. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.